Hello, if you are wondering how you can install XPG RAM memory sticks into your motherboard, then first of all, I will highly recommend you to put this anti-static foil under your motherboard, and also sponge. So as you can see right here, I've got sponge. It was actually comes with my motherboard, so you will don't break anything while applying your RAM sticks. And now, what is really important, just take a look right here on your motherboard, and as you can see, if you have only 2 RAM memory sticks, then you should put them in the second and fourth slot. So you have to open also this clips like that, and now you have to match this part. So as you can see here, we have the cutout, and I have to probably rotate them like that. Yeah, right now everything will comes together. So you will have to just input your RAM like that, and now with your 2 fingers just press. And as you can hear, now the clips just closed, and you can also hear that sound that actually tell us that we actually did it successfully. And now the same with this second RAM stick. Press with your fingers, and this is why I recommend you to put sponge under your motherboard, because when we press, you can actually break something. But if you have sponge under your motherboard, everything will be fine. And that's how you can actually install your XPG RAM DDR5 sticks.